Right then, let's get down to brass tacks. You have an idea, a little spark that won't go out. That's brilliant. But an idea needs a shape before it can become a business. The very first thing you need to do is decide what you are actually going to do. Are you going to sell products? Perhaps you make beautiful handcrafted jewelry, or you found a fantastic supplier for quirky homewares. Selling physical things requires thought about stock, storage, and how you'll get your items to your customers. It's a tangible exchange, something people can hold in their hands, which has a special kind of appeal. But it also comes with its own set of logistical puzzles you'll need to solve from day one. Alternatively, you might be offering a service. This is about selling your time, your skills, your expertise. You could be a whiz at graphic design, a fantastic personal trainer, or a consultant who can help other businesses thrive. The beauty of a service-based business is that you often don't need a warehouse full of stock. Your biggest asset is you. You need to think about how to package your skills, how to price your time, and how to demonstrate your value to potential clients. It's a different kind of challenge, one that's built entirely on trust and your personal brand. It demands consistency and a real passion for what you do. Then there's the purely online model, which can be a blend of both products and services or something else entirely. Perhaps you're creating an app, a subscription box, or an online course. The digital world has thrown the doors wide open for new kinds of enterprise. Your shopfront is a website. Your customers could be anywhere in the world. This path requires a solid understanding of the digital landscape, from e-commerce platforms to online marketing. It's fast-paced and ever-changing, but the potential for scale is enormous. You must be prepared to live and breathe the online world to make a genuine success of it. Ultimately, this choice boils down to what you're passionate about and what you're good at. Don't just chase a trend. The best businesses are born from a genuine desire to solve a problem or bring something wonderful into the world. Think about what gets you out of bed in the morning. Is it the thrill of making something with your hands? The satisfaction of helping someone with your skills? Or the excitement of building a digital empire? Be honest with yourself. This decision is the foundation stone of everything that comes next, so make sure it's a solid one. Once you know what your business is, you need to give it a legal form. This sounds complicated, but it's really just about choosing the right setup for you. The two most common paths for new businesses in the UK are to become a sole trader or to form a limited company. As a sole trader, you and your business are legally the same thing. It's the simplest way to get started. All the profits are yours, but so are all the debts. It's a straightforward structure that's perfect for many freelancers, craftspeople, and small service providers who are just starting their journey and want to keep things simple. On the other hand, you could set up a limited company. This creates a separate legal entity from you, the owner. This means the business's finances are separate from your personal finances, which offers you protection. If the business accrues debts, your personal assets like your home are generally safe. This structure can appear more professional to some clients and investors. However, it comes with more administrative responsibilities, like filing annual accounts and a confirmation statement with Companies House. It's a bigger commitment, but one that offers security and can be better for long-term growth and credibility. Registering is your next step, and it depends on the structure you've chosen. If you've decided to be a sole trader, you must register for self-assessment with HM Revenue and Customs. You need to do this as soon as you start trading. HMRC will then expect you to keep records of your income and expenses so you can complete a tax return each year. It's your responsibility to tell the taxman you're in business, so don't put it off. The process is relatively simple and can be done online, marking your official start as a business owner in the eyes of the government. For those opting for a limited company, the process is a bit more involved. You need to register your company with Companies House. This involves choosing a unique company name that isn't already taken, appointing at least one director, and deciding on shareholders. You will also need to provide an official address and create documents like a Memorandum of Association. While you can do this yourself online, many people use a formation agent to ensure it's all done correctly. This step makes your business a formal legal entity, complete with a company registration number. It's a significant milestone on your path. Right, you're official. Now, let's talk about money. Whatever your business structure, you absolutely must get a separate business bank account. Do not, under any circumstances, run your business finances through your personal current account. It's a recipe for disaster. Mixing your personal spending with your business income and outgoings creates a massive headache when it comes to doing your accounts and filing your taxes. It looks unprofessional and makes it impossible to see if your business is actually making a profit. A dedicated business account provides clarity, simplifies bookkeeping, and is a non-negotiable step towards being taken seriously. With your banking sorted, you need a plan. I'm not talking about a 50-page document that will gather dust in a drawer. I'm talking about a simple, practical business plan. This is your roadmap. It should clearly state what you are selling, whether it's a product or a service. Be specific about your offerings. Who are you selling to? Define your ideal customer. Are they young professionals in the city? Busy parents in the suburbs? Knowing your audience is crucial because it dictates everything from your branding to your marketing. This isn't just an exercise. It's about creating a clear vision for your venture. Your plan also needs a basic marketing strategy. How are people going to find out about you? It's no good having the best product in the world if nobody knows it exists. In the beginning, keep it simple. Your strategy might be to use specific social media platforms where your target customers hang out. Perhaps you'll focus on local networking events or distributing flyers in your community. The key is to have a starting point. Think about a few key activities you can commit to consistently. This part of your plan will evolve, but you need to start with a clear idea of how you'll make your first sales. Before you get going, you must also check for any licenses or permits you might need. This is a crucial step that is often overlooked. If you plan to sell food, you'll need to register with your local authority and comply with food hygiene regulations. If you play music in a shop, you might need a music license. Some professions require specific qualifications or insurance. A quick search on the government's license finder tool online is a sensible move. Getting this right from the start saves you a world of trouble later on. It's about building your business on a proper legal and safe foundation. Now for the fun bit, getting your name out there. In today's world, an online presence is not optional. It's essential. You need a shop window on the internet, and the easiest way to start is with social media. Pick one or two platforms where your customers spend their time. If you're a visual business, like fashion or food, Instagram is your best friend. If you're a business-to-business service, LinkedIn might be more appropriate. Post regularly, engage with your followers, and show the personality behind your brand. It's a powerful and often free way to build a community around what you do. Beyond social media, think about a simple website. It doesn't have to be a complex, all-singing, all-dancing affair. A basic website that clearly states who you are, what you offer, and how people can contact you is a brilliant start. It's your digital business card and a central hub for all your information. Platforms like Squarespace or Wix make it incredibly easy to build a professional-looking site without needing to be a tech genius. This gives you a permanent online home that you control, lending your business a vital sense of legitimacy and permanence in the digital age. As the money starts to come in, you have to be meticulous about tracking it. This is the lifeblood of your business. Keep a record of every single sale and every single expense, no matter how small. A simple spreadsheet can work when you're starting out, or you can use accounting software like Xero or QuickBooks. This isn't just for the taxman, it's for you. It helps you understand your cash flow, see which products are most profitable, and make informed decisions about where to invest your money. Good financial habits, established early, will be the bedrock of your long-term success. Finally, remember you're not alone. Starting a business can feel isolating, but there is a wealth of support out there in the UK. Look into government-backed startup loans, which offer funding and mentorship. Your local council often has a business support centre or enterprise hub that can provide free advice and workshops. Don't be afraid to ask for help. And most importantly, be persistent. There will be tough days, there will be moments of doubt, but if you believe in your idea and are prepared to work hard and learn as you go, you can turn that little spark into a roaring success. Now get to it.